the tall people who showed up when I died, twice. You are the first person I've seen that describes the misty gray and the buzzing sound. I had surgery where my jaw was sawed in half and then reattached. I went home a day later to recover. In the shower, I accidentally jabbed my thumb into my jaw. I got out of the shower quickly and leaned on the wall. My vision went from normal to that gray mist. It was like I was in a different place, filled with gray mist. My eyes were wide open physically, but only could see the gray. I shouted for help and I could hear myself, but it sounded like I was far away shouting from a distance. I think it was my body shutting down my sight and hearing. The buzzing sound I would hear every time I was put under anesthesia. It was a rhythmic buzzing. It was so loud it drowned out the sound of the doctor and nurses talking in the room. It's very validating to have someone with similar experiences. Unfortunately, I did not see any tall beings. That would have been phenomenal.